Hi, hello friends. Today we are going to Hatta, a tourist place. Hatta is a small place, a village rather, is 130 kilometers away from Dubai. It is located on hilly terrain of Hazar Mountains. This lies in the border of Oman.
Let me get inside your head, help you get rid of the past. Switch on all the lights and make you see. Don't you wanna get out of your mental jail? It's time to save yourself. Everything you love is one step away. It's time to live your life. Everything you love is one step away. Let me show you how to make all the demons go away. There's so much to do, so much to see. Don't you wanna get out of your mental jail? It's time to save yourself. Everything you love is one step away. It's time to live your life. Everything you love is one step away. It's time to save yourself. Everything you love is one step away.
This is the way to camel breeding place and the road is horrible as you can see here. This video was shot in 2006 and there may be better roads laid down in later years. We cannot find anyone to guide us. We were just following the signboards. We can see the camels wandering everywhere. We can't see here anyone except camels. We are afraid to get out of the car and approach the camel groups to take photos.
It's time to live your life. Everything you love is one step away. It's time to save yourself. Everything you love is one step away. It's time to live your life. Everything you love is one step away. Won't you come riding with me? Won't you come riding with me? Won't you come riding, please? In my robot coupe. It's slow and it's lean with the styrene sheen. This baby moves faster miles an hour. Destination's unclear, but it's miles from here. Step inside, throttle up the power. It nights through the night, a shimmering light of radioactive, pure atomic power. No, you can't buy your ride, but there's ways to get inside. Remember, the password is desire.
Hatta is a small place and we can find only one tall watchtower constructed during earlier kingdoms. There may be other sightseeing places in Hatta, but we can't find any information about them. No signboards and no one could guide us. I saw in the Google, one waterfalls is located near Hatta. We went inside the village and inquired many people and no one is aware of this waterfalls. One person told us there is a picnic spot nearby and it takes 30 to 40 minutes to reach it, and he explained the directions to reach that road. It is 3 p.m. and the climate is very dark with no sunlight. We thought we can see the picnic spot and get back by around 5 p.m. We reached that road to picnic spot. The road is full of pebbles, stones, boulders and rocks. We traveled for 10 minutes with great difficulty and the road looked like impossible to drive with sedan cars. Only 4x4 drives can travel on this kind of road. The road is so narrow that it is impossible to take U-turn also. Inch by inch I turned my car and it took about 10 minutes to get my car on the reverse direction. The weather became very dark and we got back without spending much time to search for any other sightseeing places.
Hello, if you like this video, please see all my previous videos. If you like them, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications. Please drop your comments and suggestions. Thank you.
And your Harlequin sharkskin suit. I'll program a party route in my robot. Classic line sweep and they flow. Faint of heart should never go. My robot coupe always knows. It knows the way to go. It's got some knowledge.
Maybe by this time the Hatta would have gone through developments and established tourist attractions, but there was nothing when this video was shot. So this is our experience with Hatta. We traveled all the way from Dubai, but we could not see anything here. And I could not show anything interesting to you in this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Share it with your friends. Thank you. See you in next video.